Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new lesson. We're still in chapter 3. It's the last lesson, lesson 5. So please get your book, Our Place in the World, and let's start. How do we celebrate important people and events? As you see, this is a house and few houses, and they have lots of flags that hang there. All right. Memorial Day. The last Monday in May is Memorial Day. It's a day to remember American men and women who died in wars. We remember their service to our country. We feel proud of our friends and family members who served. Memorial Day was made a special day a long time ago. It was first called Decoration Day. It was a way to honor soldiers who died in the Civil War. Later, the name changed to Memorial Day. Today, many communities have a parade on Memorial Day. The parade is to honor the soldiers. Some people visit monuments. They bring flags and flowers. People also fly the American flag on their homes and business. And that's what we saw in the previous page. We honor our soldiers with wreaths of flowers. This monument is in Arlington, Virginia. People visit it on Memorial Day. So the title, what do you think this text will be about? So when you read the title, you know that we be learning about Memorial Day. Circle the name of the holiday this text is about, Memorial Day. Underline the words that tell you when the holiday is. The last Monday in May, so you underline this. What the holiday was first called. You have it here. Decoration Day, so underline this. And what people do on this holiday. So we see bring flags, flowers, and they have also parades. All right, let's see. Next exercise, page 144. Explore key details. Key details help you understand the text. We know that. So we have the holiday or the main idea or the main topic, and then we have details. So the main idea, Memorial Day. We have details. One is written for us. We remember soldiers who died in wars. So that's one of the details. What else can you write down and say there? So let's get. People visit also monuments. So let's write this down. We visit monuments. So the main idea is Memorial Day. We're talking about Memorial Day, and here we have details. So from our text, we remember soldiers who died in wars. That's one of the details. And the second detail also we added, or more information, we visit monuments. All right, let's see what we have on page 145. We have the graphic organizer. We have the holidays, the name of the holiday, and we need detail. So we have Veterans Day, we have Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and then we need to add one holiday and the details. For Veterans Day, we need to add one, and one the detail we have parades for the veterans. And then for Martin Luther King Jr., we have one detail to add. One is already written. We can be kind to others. And then we're gonna choose another holiday, and then you're gonna put any detail you like about. All right, so let's clear and go for our book and read together. All right. How do we celebrate important people and events? Veterans Day. A holiday is a special day of celebration. When we celebrate, we do something special for an important event. We have a holiday for Veterans Day in November. On Veterans Day, we celebrate our veterans. Veterans are men and women who served in the United States Armed Forces. They helped keep our country safe. On this holiday, we thank them for their help. And then many communities have Veterans Day special parades. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. lived at a time when African Americans did not have the same rights as white people. He wanted all people to have equality or the same rights. He helped other people think this way too. Martin Luther King Jr. Day is on the third Monday in January. To celebrate, we can think about his life. We can be kind to others. We can talk about why everyone should have equal rights. Pay attention, some of these details we needed to answer our question. And as you see the calendar, and you see each year American celebrates Martin Luther King Jr. on the third Monday of January. All right. Here we have primary source. I have a dream. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. So that's something Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. wrote. Dr. King giving a speech at the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. in 1963. Remember, we talked about primary source and secondary source. Let's go see next. Holidays. We need to write about one of the holidays that we're going to add. Remember, we have the Veterans Day and the Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and we need to add one holiday. All right. Earth Day. Earth Day is April 22nd. On Earth Day, we celebrate Earth. We do our part to take care of Earth and keep it clean. It's our home. We can celebrate Earth Day every day by recycling. Arbor Day. Arbor Day is in April too. Arbor Day is all about trees. We can go outdoors and look at trees. We can learn about why trees are important. Many people get together and plant new trees, and you see them. Children here in community planting trees is fun and good for Earth. Labor Day. Labor Day is in September. On Labor Day, we honor workers. We celebrate the hard work people do. Some communities have parades or picnic, and as we see here for Labor Day, and we have Thanksgiving. All right. Thanksgiving is in November. We remember the first Thanksgiving between Pilgrims and Native Americans. We think about things we are thankful for. We spend time with family and friends, and we see many people help others in their Thanksgiving, in their community on Thanksgiving. All right, so let's go now to our book, page 145, and write down about the missing parts that we need to fill in our graphic organizer. So we have the holiday Veterans Day. We know that we have the key detail. One of them, we have parade for the veterans. So let's write something more. Let's say that veteran are people who served in our military. So that would be one detail for Veterans Day. And then the second one, we have parades for the veterans. Okay, the second holidays we have Martin Luther King Jr. And we have this day, we can be kind to others. Let's try something else. we can say that Dr. King wanted all people to have the same rights. Remember? All people to have the same rights. All right, so we can look for another holidays. Remember, we talked about Earth Day, Arbor Day, Thanksgiving, and Labor Day. So you can choose any other holidays, and you write the name of the holiday up here, and then you put two details. For example, if you choose the Earth Day, so you're gonna write up there Earth Day, and you're gonna say this is in April 22nd, and what do? We do our part that we try to keep our earth clean. So let's say second detail, we'll be saying recycle. Or Arbor Day, that's also in April, and we go outdoor and plant trees because trees important. Or Labor Day, that honor the workers, celebrate the hard work they do, and then also you say that sometimes some community have picnic or parades. Or Thanksgiving, you say that we celebrate in November, and you details that Thanksgiving, it happened between the Pilgrims and Native Americans, and we are thankful for the help they gave us. So we can choose any holiday, you put the name of the holiday up there, and then you put two details. Again, you can go back to the video, pause, take your time, memorize what you need to write, and go back and write. All right. Let's clear this. And then see what we have next. All right. So write an invitation to a holiday celebration. Tell what, why, and how are celebrating. So this is pretend like you're inviting someone for a special holidays or a special occasion that we just learned about. So you can just say when this happening, and then what you're gonna do. You're inviting that friend because you're gonna participate in a parade, or you're gonna visit a special place, or you're gonna have a picnic outdoor. All right. Page 147. Connect to that. Which holidays do you think is the best celebration of our country? Use your notes from the graphic organizer to choose a holiday, then complete the sentence. So you choose the name of the holiday. So you're gonna put the name of the holiday is the best celebration of American because, and then you say why you chose this holidays. So again, we have lots of holidays. We mention it. We haven't worried about it. We have Veterans Day. We have Independence Day. You have lots of celebration and special events and occasion that we celebrate and how we celebrate. So you can choose and you can put your answer here. All right. So that was it for today's lesson and today's chapter. Today's the last lesson in our chapter 3. In this chapter, we really learn a lot about America, starting from why do Americans celebrate Independence Day? Why this day is important. We also understand and learn about the Constitution and how the Constitution helped America or help our country. We also learn about the national and the state symbols and what does it mean. And we also learn what do monuments help us to remember. And the last things we learn and we talked about celebrating special days or information about people and events that we honor and we celebrate that special. All right, that's it for today's first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.